Unraveling the meaning behind sharp as a trumpet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have come across: sharp as a trumpet. This expression is not as common as others, but it's a fascinating one to explore. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Sharp as a trumpet is an idiomatic expression that might cause a bit of confusion at first glance. Traditionally, idioms like sharp as a tack are well known for describing someone very intelligent or mentally acute. However, sharp as a trumpet isn't widely recognized in the same context. It's essential to clarify that this expression might not be standard, and its interpretation could vary depending on individual experiences or regional usage. Let's break down the literal and figurative meanings. Literally, a trumpet is a brass musical instrument known for its clear, penetrating sound. When someone says, sharp as a trumpet, they could be drawing a comparison to the instrument's distinct and powerful sound, suggesting clarity or prominence. Figuratively, it might be used to describe someone's mental acuity or the ability to communicate effectively, echoing the clarity and impact of a trumpet's sound. Using sharp as a trumpet in conversation can add a unique flair to your language. It's suitable for informal settings where creative expressions are appreciated. For example, praising intellect. Did you hear how she solved that problem? She's as sharp as a trumpet. Acknowledging communication skills. He presented his ideas so clearly, truly as sharp as a trumpet. Remember, since it's not a widely recognized idiom, it might also be a conversation starter about the origin and personal interpretations of such unique expressions. We hope this exploration of sharp as a trumpet has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. While it's not the most common idiom, it's a fun and creative way to describe someone's mental sharpness or communicative clarity. Keep experimenting with language, and don't be afraid to introduce your listeners to intriguing expressions like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.